It's your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Elijah back in here with us this afternoon for his third adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And Elijah, why don't you tell him how you did on your first two adjustments? Now, he's wearing a Cowboys shirt, so just take into consideration what he says.
I came in with a lot of lower back pain and stuff, and I had never had a manual decompression. After the first time, I realized when I would lean back or go forward, my lower back just instantly felt looser, and there wasn't like any kind of swelling or feeling down there. It just made work and walking around a lot easier.
And you were having sciatica
I was
as
having
well.
sciatica on my right side.
Has that improved?
Yes, it's improved very much. It doesn't affect me as much when I'm at work anymore.
Good. So you've been able to work better and harder without taking as many breaks?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what the Cowboys do, take too many breaks. Yeah. Okay, let's show them how we did that. Let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me, Elijah. I just had to give him a little crap on his Cowboy shirt today just for fun. We're going to start having more fun in here again. So y'all get ready because we're going to be doing some fun, cool videos. Alright, so he hasn't had any new accidents or injuries since the last time we saw him. So the very first thing I'm going to do on him is decompression on the y-axis. Okay, there we go. There we go. Bones looking a little bewildered over there. Alright. Let's get this under your skull. Okay. There you go. Doesn't get any better than that.
It gets easier every time.
Yes, sir, it does. And looky there, he's still kicking. Okay. There. Yes, sir. You're kind of holding up on that one today. You feel that? Okay, so let's get up sideways and come over here and lay on your tummy for me, please, sir. You guys get a lot of rain last week?
Yes.
Yeah.
But we needed it.
Yeah. Right leg's a little short today. Gets even up here, so that's positive Knockless and Deerfield on the right. Okay, watch, I'm gonna drop this piece out. You just knocked your shoe off on that one. There you go. Yes, sir. There it is. I knew I had one more in there. I just knocked that one off for you too. Now you're even. Did that hurt as much on that one?
Not really.
Good. There you go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please. I like the feel of that sweatshirt, though.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Yeah, it is. It looks like it. Good. Now, okay, now slide down about half an inch. Yep. There you go. Good. Okay. That's it. Yes, sir. Felt that one all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
I usually say felt that one all the way down, but you feel that one all the way up. There you go. You get decompressed from both ends, we're bound to get the pressure off that lumbosacral nerve. There you go. which is what's causing your sciatica. Good. Okay, good. Now let's stand you up here. I got a new adjusting instrument. That tightness that you were feeling in there, I'm going to bounce your muscle spindles with this and the trapezius and levator scapula muscles. Should help relax the paraspinals for you all the way down into the attachment of the trapezius. Okay, pull these guys up and back, and then we're going to come straight back and look back. You're going to feel a little tap on your atlas right there. There you go, okay. Now try that forward and backwards again, Elijah. Very nice. Did that feel smoother to you that time?
Yes.
So see, even if you're a Dallas Cowboys fan, we'll still adjust you here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. So what would you have to share with our crack addicts around the world about your experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
I've been to other chiropractors and been through massage therapy, and this is one of the things I feel has helped me the most, because you do everything. Unlike most chiropractors, they just kind of do where you feel like it might hurt, and they just
Specific chiropractic.
yeah, specific chiropractic.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that kind of flips my trigger right there. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, with the Cowboys fans. See, we treat everybody here. We'll see y'all soon.